Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use coroutines in Unity to create timed. What are coroutines? Coroutine is a special function in Unity that can pause execution and resume after a delay. Unlike the update function, which runs every frame, coroutines let you spread execution across multiple frames. When to use coroutines? Coroutines are great for waiting for a few seconds before executing a function, creating smooth animations without using update, handling time-based logic like cooldowns, fading effects, or AI behavior. Now, let's write our first coroutine. We'll create a function that waits for 3 seconds before printing a message to the console. Here's the code. You define a function that returns an enumerator, which is commonly used for coroutines in Unity. This allows you to create time-based behaviors, such as waiting for a certain duration, executing actions in sequence, or smoothly handling animations and transitions without blocking the main thread. Coroutines are especially useful in game development for handling delays, waiting for events, or managing complex timed operations efficiently. However, simply defining this function is not enough. You also need to call it somewhere in your code. In Unity, coroutines must be started using start coroutine from within a monobehavior script. Now let's test. The game will start, and after 3 seconds our other code will run. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.